Exactly. It was Dungy who got into that group, and I thought it was Roczen, but maybe it was Kennard, and that shoved him into
oh, look
Menard.
at he did it! I told you, Jeff, someone would do that.
That's going to make the difference right there, because that is a huge time saver right there. It's going to be worth a couple of seconds.
Wow. And I need to go out and just lay it to these guys, and this is how you do that, Jeff.
Watch what he does. Nobody's done this all day. Pre-jumps it and just makes it over the rooftop jump right there. And look how much momentum he carries. We talked about it. If it could be done, I didn't think he'd be able to do it because the lift was too low, but he pre-jumped. This whole thing is earlier we were saying the momentum, and Kenny has a lot more momentum than Justin, and you can just see him once he gets, and then he decides to jump this.
Yeah,
well, I don't even know what to call it.
Well, to what you're saying, he's got the momentum going. You're
trying to find his way past the 222 of Cairoli. Cairoli, though, you've got to respect him in this fight, this desire to not be defeated by Jeffrey Hurlings. And it's kind of like we said, you know, Tony Cairoli is in a similar boat to...